Greetings from Max Minions. I am Alka Sharma, the career counselor of Max Minions. Max Minions is training and project consulting company. We do arrange Java training for corporate and individual project support for corporate and Java project and individual via Java Freelancer or agency. We are 15-year-old company. Max Minutes is one of the best online Java job support company, whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment. Max Minutes can provide remote Java job support for the functional and technical aspect of your project. We ensure your project success at a lower cost than having an on-site consulting and without the skill gap time zone and communication issue experience when offshoring project roles. More efficient and cost-effective service from dedicated Java freelancer who know your best business and your systems. Hire Java freelancer for implementation, consulting and outsourcing or Java projects. Hire Java Freelancer and get Java Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Java Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Java work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Agenda: we will be covering below aspect in this session and read introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range. Java Freelancer of Java support. If you're working on Java product and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Java project, then Maximinus is just a call email away to provide you Java help. We provide Java online job support for professionals to help them perform their tasks or Java products. We have a wide range of Java subject matter expert, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as a Java freelancers. We provide Java job support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Java freelancer who will do Java job support or Java project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Java freelancer who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Java freelancer can provide end-to-end Java project support as well as Java implementation support. Java freelancer are available in your time zone, can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online job support: we receive your inquiry for Java online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident is taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide services and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the Java job support or Java helpers mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Java consultant available who will can provide end-to-end complete Java implementation support in your project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Max Minus and your project starts. Flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best Java job support company and the best website to hire Java freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plans which will help the employee to find and hire Java freelancer as per their need. Even Java implementation support in highly complex project is also possible. Pay per ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Java job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So this plan is for those who want our service on a ticket basis. Pay per hour. If you have some technical issues in your job and you want to Java help from our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can opt the hourly plan. Take your online Java job support for required hours and pay only for those hours consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need Java help, then our expert provide continuous guidance in solving all the issue and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online Java job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth Java freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issue whenever it arises. When we will provide step-by-step Java installation guide and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Java job support immediately. Our expert will be available on an immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customized Java Freelancer services for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us and you will be able to do 24 hours 7 tracking of Java projects. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. Java project consulting range. Maxminus provide customized Java job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Maxminus is considered as best freelancer Java consulting company and the best Java implementation support partner for its clients. Maxminus has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource Java project to us. We can support you from 1 hour work and 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultant for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other teams, technical consulting including application database administrators and project managers to provide overall management of your projects. Our freelancer Java crew has deep expertise in products and solution has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation projects support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the areas are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, project optimization and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. Dreams. Hire Java freelancer for implementation, consulting, and outsourcing of projects. As you know, we have a wide range of Java subject matter experts. They exclusively work with us as Java freelancer. We provide Java project support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Java freelancer who will do Java job support or Java project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Java freelancer who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Java freelancer can handle end-to-end Java implementation as well as Java project support. Hire Java freelancer and get Java freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Java freelancer for implementation and outsourcing project and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer current and future challenges. Outsource Java work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Best website to find and hire Java freelancer. Java is an object-oriented programming language which is class-based and have few implementation dependencies. It can be written once and can be run from anywhere. No recompilation is needed. Java normally compiled to bytecode and then it run on Java virtual machines. Its syntax are somewhat similar to C and C++ programming languages. Java is one of the most popular programming language and has around 9 million developers if now. Max Minus Java job support. Max Minus is Java support consulting company, Java individual via Java freelancer or Java implementation. Java Freelancer, hire Java Freelancer and get online Java job support 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource Java's project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions offering system implementation, solution resources and training. Talking about Java projects, Consulting Max Minus is 15-year-old trustworthy Java project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients through the globe. Get customized Java job support to individual in their projects. Java job support for corporate. We have customized Java project support as per company's Java project requirement. Companies will be having flexibility to choose location, mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have their flexibility to select Java freelancer from a pool of professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Java implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on their project from day one. Benefits for individual person. Customize support as an individual Java project requirement. Get complete Java job support. We will help employee to start working on their project from day one on Java projects. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Java projects as per individual requirements. We will arrange industry specific subject matter experts to provide Java job support for your Java projects. We will provide step-by-step program assignment for your Java projects. Market opportunity. Let's talk about current Java market opportunity. I have written top best job sites for USA, UK, Europe and India. You can apply and get Java job across the globe and wherever you stuck in project we are there for you. Hire Java freelancer and get customized Java support in online or remotely. Our clients are as follow. Java support across globe. Maximinus has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancer Java support for implementation and outsourcing projects for individual and corporate clients. Get Java support and across the globe hire Java freelancer from you can hire from Bengaluru, India, Finland, Sweden, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Germany, USA, UK, Netherlands, Ireland, Austria, Israel, Singapore, Australia, Canada, Denmark, Belgium, Poland, Hong Kong, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Denmark, Bahrain, Japan, South Korea, UAE, Switzerland, Kuwait, Spain, UK, Russia, China, Belarus, and Luxembourg. Why Max Minus? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects for not shared on freelancing site is the most of the time the relevant set of IT skill professional is not available to work as a freelancer. Max Minus is considered the best freelancer Java consulting company. Max Minus has the expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP and supply chain management. Java as well, step-by-step Java guide and solution on all ticket of above mentioned companies of their products. Hire Java freelancer online or subject matter experts after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT projects because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solution to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter expert or expert Java freelancer, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Maximinus at no cost. The money will be released out to Java freelancer or subject matter expert at various levels of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion. Java support. On conducting, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Java freelancer and get online Java job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Java support as per company's Java project requirement. Industry-specific senior subject matter expert will be arranged who know your Java project well in advance and have done very good implementation project on the same. Outsource Java project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions. offering system implementation, solution resources, and training customized Java support for individual for Java job support in their Java projects. Reach us at these websites. For any details or Java support, Java Freelancer reach us at through the contact number USA, UK and India. You can WhatsApp us. Email ID contact@maximinus.com. Thank you. Your satisfaction is our main responsibility.